it's Shay, and I am here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. So, Ibotta hit me with my midweek, which I need 18 offers for $5. I ain't mad at it. Now, as far as a make it pour, I'm starting with how many down? I got 39 down. So I barely hit what I need to hit each week to knock out the bonus by the end of the month. So I'm starting this haul at 39 offers down. All right, so definitely feeling a little bit more positive. I'm just hoping that, again, I'm hoping Ibotta don't give us a chef and just make it hard. I'm hoping that doesn't happen. Like, I feel like it's gonna happen though. But in the comments, how are you guys doing with your bonuses so far? What's your ratio? I am 39 150. So I still got a long ass way to go. But if you're new here, yes, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely make sure that you subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button, support your girl. Don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you never miss on a video. Not a whole lot I want to mention as far as this intro. I did post my Q&A yesterday. If you haven't had a chance to check that out, definitely go check that out. And so we're going to keep this brief and straight to the point because y'all know your girl can't get a little shy. And so we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
All right, guys. So, as if I need any more mail in my life right now. So listen, I'm going to go ahead and do this deal again. It's on the Best Foods price at $5.98. Getting back 3 on Alexa and 3 on Swagbucks is going to make this a 2-cent moneymaker. All right. And of course, you already know. Like, you already know. If you don't know, I'm about to let you know. So we're doing this deal again, as of course, on the Rockstar. These are priced at $188. So you're grabbing 2 of them. You'll end up paying $376, getting back 5 through aisles. Now that offer is, that offer can be done every other week. Now, one of you guys let me know in the comments in my last video, I think it was, that they sent you a reminder text, and it's to a different number to redeem the offer again. So just wanted to let you guys know on that for those of you who want to do it every other week. And again, this is a deal that's going to run throughout the year, making this a $1.24 moneymaker. All right, guys, so this next deal is on the M&M's Minis. It's on the peanut butter one. These are priced at $2.28. You're going to grab one of them. You'll get back $1.50 on Fetch Reward. I believe the limit is 5, making this only 78 cents. Okay. Next up is the Purina Beneful Incredibites. It's on rollback for $106. Now, this is working for 3 different offers on Ibotta. There's 2 10-cent any offers, and then there's a 50-cent offer. And so that's awesome, right? And then we're also getting back 100 kicks on Shopkick, which is 40 cents. I do have a brand club server for 55 cents as well, making this a 59-cent moneymaker, which is definitely not bad. This next deal is on the Poise pads. Are we tired of seeing Poise pads? I guess I'm not. As long as you're paying me, I'm not Poise. And so I grabbed the 24 count price at $5.97. 2 of them is going to cost $11.94, getting back 2 for each on Ibotta. I also got back 5 on ShopMe. I was surprised that offer reset again so quickly because I feel like I literally just did it. And then $5 on Swagbucks, which went straight through, making this a $2.06 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Dove Men Care. I decided to go ahead and grab this deal. I saw it posted on Instagram. I'll pop up who I got the deal from. So the body wash is priced at $7.97 and the bar is $5.97. The 2 is gonna cost $13.94, getting back 2 for the bar, 3 for the body wash on Ibotta. There's also 4 on Alexa as well for the 2. 680 points on my points, which is $4.27, and then a total of $1.40, I believe, for the bar, and $1.60 from Shopkick, which is going to make this a $2.33. I'm also grabbing the Dove Oat Milk and Berry Brulee bar, which I haven't tried this yet. I want to, but I haven't tried it yet. So these are priced at $5.97. The 2 is going to cost $11.94, getting back 2 for each on Ibotta. $4 on for both on Swagbucks, and then $4 on Shopmium as well, making them both free plus a 6-cent moneymaker. So cool. I feel like I have to whisper. So this deal here is on the Dove serums. They're $9.97. I went ahead and grabbed 4 of them. Ended up paying $39.88, getting back $16 on Ibotta. There's also $7.48 times 2 on my points, and then 4 on Shopmium. So it makes them $123 each, which is definitely not bad. And so, yeah. Right, so I went ahead and did the deal on the Dove Prebiotic Boost hand soap, priced at $4.97. I went ahead and ordered IPs for my fairy, which, you guys, like, my IP fairies keep getting deleted on Instagram, and I hate it because literally he just got a new one and now it's already deleted already, and it's only been like a few days, and so it sucks. And so getting one at $4.97 using this dollar printable, it scanned perfectly fine for me. You end up paying $3.97 and then getting back 3 on Ibotta, and then 50 cents on Fetch Reward, making it only 47 cents. And so definitely is not a bad deal. Limit on Fetch is 5. Limit on Ibotta is 5. Coupon, I can only use 4. So I only used 4 coupons, so it made one of them 147 and 4 of them 47 cents each, which is still not bad. All right, guys. So this next deal is it's too quiet in here, y'all. I can't stand it. It's on the Colgate. I feel like everybody can hear me, but I know they don't give about me and what I'm doing. So listen, this deal is on the Colgate total. I'm gonna do this deal again. I mentioned it in my last video. It's priced at $2.94 for the 2 count, getting back 550 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $2.20, and then getting back $1.50 for Walmart cash. You might still have the offer on Ibotta as well. It'll make one of them it'll make one of them a 76-cent moneymaker. Now the limit on Shopkick is 4, so I went ahead and just grabbed 4. The first one was a 76-cent moneymaker, and then the last 3 were 74 cents, which is not bad. So I'm low-key debating on if I want to grab 4 more of these while the offer's still there. 74 cents is definitely not bad. I have to do this deal again, especially using the printable. Grabbing one priced at $3.98. You're gonna use this printable. Scans perfectly fine for me, guys. You'll pay $2.98 out of pocket, getting back 850 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.40, making this 42-cent moneymaker. And so definitely it's not a bad deal. Next deal is on the Vitamin Care. The Dove Vitamin Care is priced at $11.98. I'm getting back 5 on Ibotta, 4 on Alexa, and 4 on Swagbucks. I also have 400 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.60, makes it a $2.62 moneymaker. Now I also went ahead and grabbed this one as well on a separate transaction for Alexa. So you're gonna grab that price at $11.98. Getting back 5 on Ibotta, 4 on Shopmium, and 450 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.80. And then last but not least, 680 points on my points, which is $4.27. It makes it a $1.09 moneymaker. So both items combined end up being like what? Almost a $6 moneymaker, which is totally awesome. All right, so this last deal, if you are still rocking with me, I want to see some lips emojis in the comments, because I just want to kiss you. Kiss you right on your forehead. So listen, it's on the CoverGirl brow pencils, priced at $4.47. Now I tried using the $2 printable, didn't scan for me at all. And so I just got 1, got back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on Shopmium, and 2 on Swagbucks. Now I also have a 50-cent brand club survey as well, making it a $2.03 moneymaker. So I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Everything here worked out pretty good. I don't think I had any issues. I did submit the wrong receipt to Alexa by mistake, so I'm waiting for them to reject my receipt, which is weird because they usually reject really fast. Like if it's obviously not on there, usually that happens pretty quick. But I'm still waiting. So once they reject it, then I can resubmit the correct receipt. Other than that, everything else went through As you can see, I did the Dove deodorant. I ended up doing it 6 times. The first 2 times, I didn't have the coupons. I got the coupons for the last 4. And then the last 2, the offer went down to $7.50. But they all still end up being free anyways. And then what else did I do? I think that's basically it. Everything else went through. I forgot to click the offer for the Beneful on Shopkick, so I had to put a ticket in. And they did credit me the 100 kicks for that. Other than that, I think that's basically it for this haul. And so everything you see here retails $230.30. I had $8 in coupons. That was just the Dove coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $222.30. And then we walk away with $61.70 for my Ibotta. Aisles should be $60. I did do it at Dollar Tree as well. Shopkick is $26.64. My Points is $23.52. Shopmium is 19 even. Alexa is 11. Swagbucks is 11. Fetch Reward is 402. And Brand Club is 105. I only had 2 Brand Club surveys for this, which is not bad because I have a gazillion I still got to do from the last 2 hauls. So I was really not really trying to do a lot of surveys anyways, at least until I get caught up. And so we walk away with a total of $217.93, which is crazy, right? To get back that much.
Which nets everything at $4.37. So less than $5 for all of this is awesome in my book. It nets everything at 7 cents per item, and then my tax was $18.85. And so definitely not a bad haul. Like I said, it did cost, but not a lot. Like, I'm not complaining. I got all this stuff and all this Colgate and all this Rockstar. I am not complaining.
But anyway, so our emoji. Josiah, what was the emoji, bug? A cactus. Because y'all know we live in a hot desert. So if you got to this point in the video, I appreciate you. We appreciate you. And I would like to see, we would like to see some cactuses in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.